How to fix Facebook Messenger switch accounts problem. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page right here, you're gonna find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is scroll until you find Messenger, click on it and click on this option to force stop the app, and then go to permissions, enable all permissions, go back again, click on data usage, and now you have to disable the roaming data like this and make sure that all these options here are enabled. Go back, and the last thing you want to do here is click on the storage or the internal storage and click on clear data, as you can see, and clear cache. After that, go back to the home page, open the settings again, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.